area.
And Al Solis has a total of 8 points. Windmill layup by Noy Castillo, the golden boy. Patrick Fran from long distance, yes! May injury man o wala. And Patrick Fran ringing the bell para sa Mobile Foam Pals.
Ganda ng championship dito. Open shot.
Al Solis! Oh! Mula sa kanto! And Al Solis from PLDT Country. Noy Castillo with a floater. One-hander. He backs it home.
Tanting opensa. Oh!
There's John Best.
Ganda.
Maganda yung nangyari doon. Williams si John Best. John Best sa ilalim. Oh! Blocked there by Patrick Fran. But foul will be called, and Patrick Fran doing the jig.
Lipavitan, the official energy drink of the PBA. Lipavitan gets you going.
We're back mga kaibigan mula sa Cuneta Astrodome. At almost, a minute gone by dito sa ating second quarter. Ang score natin, 24-15. The last basket was made by Donald Williams. Yes, and I see Donald Williams.
Eto, matindi na action dito dahil 7 points na lang ang lamang. Kanina, lumaki ng konti ito. Pero, eto, action na naman tayo. Balik po tayo, 24-17. Kasamang Mon.
Yes, and almost 2 minutes gone by dito sa ating second quarter. At third team foul ng Mobiline Foam Pals. Panghuli, pangalawa ni Eric Reyes yung itinawag na si Patrick Fran. Kung kayo nagtataka ba, yan po ginasok na ni Coach Eric Altamirano.
Oo.
So sinagot na nga yung mga agam-agam at yung mga tanong ng karamihan kung ipapasok nga si Patrick Fran. Pinasok po ito si Patrick Fran. And Donald Williams missing from PLDT Country.
Ayan, kanina pa problema ni Donald Williams. Ito, tignan muna natin. Oh. Napakababa ng shell percentages. 28% lang sila from the field. Ang Mobiline is a decent 47. So, kaya lumalamang ngayon ng 7 puntos itong Mobiline.
Eric Reyes ang atake. And there's a whistle. Yes, and the foul will be called against Noy Castillo. Pangalawa yan ni Castillo. At una naman ang Formula Shell. Super unleaded, sending Eric Reyes to the 4.5-meter line.
Oh, at kanina si Coach Perry Ronquillo napilitang bumalasan ng mga tao. Pinasok ng sabay-sabay na ngayon itong si Jojo Lim, Noy Castillo at saka si Vic Pablo.
Eric Reyes making his first free throw. At itong si Patrick Fran naman earlier, pinalta niya ito si Glenn Capasio para dito sa Mobiline Foam Pals.
Itong tatlong ito nag-iikutan dun sa guard position, yung 1-2 position. Patrick Fran, Al Solis, saka si Glenn Capasio. At by doing that, ito si Coach Eric Altamirano, nilimit na niya talaga to those three yung kanyang options dun sa guard position.
9-point lead anew para dito sa Mobiline Foam Pals. There's John Best. Pagkatapos sumugal ito si Tim McClary.
Tama yung sabi mo ron, sumugal at natalo. So they tried to go for the steal. But the pass was too good. So kaya nakalibre yun si John Best.
Ang dati na rin nga sa depensa, di ba? Lagi ka nasa gitna ng tao mo at saka nung ring. Pag
Basket,
may nauna ka dun sa may mali na doon.
Tama.
Andito ngayon si Al Solis. Al Solis from PLDT Long Distance Country. Yes!
Ang taas ng kumpiyansa ni Al Solis. If you give him that good look, as we said earlier, he'll take it. Walang, hindi magdadalawang isip yan si Al basta nandyan sa 3-point area.
And Al Solis has a total of 8 points. Windmill layup by Noy Castillo, the golden boy.
Ayaw pa rin bumitaw nitong Shell. Still hanging on.
Meanwhile, there's a length of the court pass ni Mills dito kay McClary. And a turnover po ng magre-resulta. Alam mo yung turnover, babanggitin natin yan, Coach Yeng. Pagkat nung last game, although na mayagpag nga sa rebounding itong Mobiline Foam Pals, lamang naman in terms of turnovers itong Formula Shell, 29-10.
Oo, tama ka ron. At alam mo, kung talaga titignan natin yung game na yun, doon sa laki ng inilamang nila sa rebounding, dapat tambak na yung Shell. Pero nabawi ng Shell dahil marami ring turnovers yung Mobiline.
Yes. At Donald Williams continues to miss from PLDT Country. There's Patrick Fran. Oh, there's the illegal defense call. Itong si, tatawagan dito si Jojo Lim.
Oo, wala siyang tao ron at he was floating around. Hindi po pwede yun. Kailangan kumuha ka ng tao kagad.
Yeah, so warning pa lamang yan dito sa Formula Shell Gas Kings. 8-point lead ng Mobiline, 29-21. With 8 minutes and 15 to go here in the second quarter. Patrick Fran from long distance, yes! May injury man o wala? And Patrick Fran ringing the bell para sa Mobiline Foam Pals.
Walang nakaka-rotate doon sa defense ng Shell. That's why they're finding the open man with that ball movement. Si Al Solis, si Patrick Fran, kanina si Glenn Capasio. The worst thing that can happen to you is pumutok ng sabay-sabay itong tatlong to.
Ito mga kaibigan, si Noy Castillo from PLDT Long Distance Country. Yes, he connects. At that time may walang technical difficulty. Hindi tulad ngayon medyo nararamdaman natin may technical difficulty sa coverage natin.
Oh, kanina.
So please bear with us mga kaibigan. Pero ito tuloy-tuloy po action. Hatid namin sa inyo ni Coach Yeng to. Galing po sa Cuneta Astrodome. 7.5 to go. There's the skip pass. Tim McLary from long distance. This time wala. Magandang boxing out nila kay Eric Reyes. Talagang puro wide shares ang nakakuha doon ng rebound.
Well, that time naka-rotate ng maayos yung depensa ng Shell. That's why they were able to challenge that outside shot.
We're nearing the 7-minute mark. There's the pick and roll. Oh, but blocked there. Makukuha uli ng Formula Shell. Bumibilis ang action natin dito, Coach Yeng.
Matinding-matindi. Pati intensity is at a high level right now.
There's Victor Pablo. Carving some room. Wala. Mapapatravel itong si Victor Pablo.
Well, that's a problem with the Shell offense. Pinapanood nila yung kanilang may hawak ng bola. They're not giving them any other options.
There's the pick. There's the roll by Victor Pablo. But there's the block by Silas Mills.
Talaga inspirado itong Mobiline on both ends of the court.
Ito, ikot nila ang bola. Silas Mills asking for the ball. He looks at the basket. Step back. Jumper. Silas Mills this time. Wala.
Ito si Jojo Lee, maganda na naman na dinidepensa kay Silas Mills. Baka babantayan natin Silas Mills, baka mapikon na naman ito.
Here's Noy Castillo. Patrick Fran on him. Patrick Fran sticking to Noy Castillo like glue.
Again.
5 seconds to shoot. There's the foul. Patrick Fran.
Swerte sila ron, may tinawag na foul. Pero the shot clock was running down and they're taking too long. Too much dribbling on the side of Shell. Ayun, at
si Eric Reyes ang
tinawagan
doon. That third person na ito si Eric Reyes. 14 foul na Mobiline Foam Pass and we're nearing the halfway mark ng ating second quarter. There's Victor Pablo with a short stab sa kanan.
Well, even on the local side, maganda depensa ng Shell. That time, Eric Reyes defending one-on-one against Vic Pablo.
And that time ito si Jojo Lim wasn't able to defend the low post early dito kay Silas Mills. Kaya naman ganda na ng posisyon nito si Silas Mills sa ilalim. Perfect for that entry pass. Talagang foul na lamang binigay nito si Jojo Lim.
Pero that was a good foul there by Jojo Lim. Pero may timeout tayo kasamang Mon.
Yeah, so makabalik kami ni Coach Yeng mula dito sa Cuneta Astrodome.
Lipavitan, the official energy drink of the PBA. Lipavitan gets you going.
Welcome back mga kaibigan mula sa Cuneta Astrodome. Mon Liboro kasama si Coach Yeng Giaw. Alam mo Coach, sabi nga natin kanina, dalawang special sporting events ngayong araw na to. Itong Game 6 at ng labanan ng Mobiline at Formula Shell. At mamaya naman ang opening ng 13th Asian Games na magmumula dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand.
Ako, wag nilang i-miss yun dahil napakaganda ng opening ceremonies ng every Asian Games na makikita natin.
Ayan po at huling basket ginawa naman ni Silas Mills. Lamang sila ng Sham 33-24 at buong tropa halos ng Vintage Television po ay nandun na sa Bangkok upang ihatid sa inyo ng buong buo ang ating opening ceremonies at ang kabuuan po ng mga kaganapan dyan sa 13th Asia at dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand.
Tayo na lang iniwan dito ng ating mga kasama pero enjoy pa rin tayo dahil ang ganda ng championship dito. Open shot!
Al Solis! Oh! Mula sa kanto! And Al Solis from PLDT Country again scoring. That's his third three-pointer.
Again, huli na naman ang depensa ng Shell doon. Hindi nila alam paano sila mag-rotate. Nako, medyo physical na action doon sa dalawang import, Silas Mills and Donald Williams.
And may expect natin yan, Coach Yeng. Lalaki Donald Williams who's been time and again being frustrated sa kanyang mga atake sa basket. Makita yung huling play na yon, Al Solis. Talaga nag-iisa doon sa may kanto eh.
Oo, ang ganda nung drive and draw doon ni Silas Mills. Ano? That's what he does for this team. Not only score and do other things, but make his teammates look good.
36-24, biggest lead of Mobiline. Noy Castillo with a floater, one-hander, he backs it home. And that's Noy Castillo, mga kaibigan. At si Noy Castillo, pang 7 puntos ni Noy Castillo. At sinasabi nga natin dito, si Noy Castillo kapag pumutok is malaking plus para sa Formula Shell Super Unleaded. Meanwhile, ito foul. Ang natawag kay Silas Mills.
And that's a good call. Nakita nung referee yung hawak muna ni Silas Mills doon sa kamay ni Jojo Lim bago niya ni-receive yung bola. I think that's a good call there. Offensive foul call on Silas Mills.
Ito sunod kagad yung foul naman ni Patrick Fran na tries to hug itong si Noy Castillo. At nasa penalty na.
Nasa penalty na, kaya magsasuffer dito dahil 4 minutes 34 seconds left to go. Magsasuffer yung defense ng kaunti ng Mobiline. Every time they foul now, they'll send someone to the line.
Again, that's just gusto mo talaga na mag-hustle, mag-pressure, mag-trap itong mga players mo. Ayaw mo naman sila mag-commit ng mga fouls, especially yung mga useless fouls tulad noon, which tulad nga nangyayari ngayon, patay ang oras. Nasa 4.5 meter line si Noy Castillo, nakakagawa ng puto sa Formula Shell.
Pero nagmintis dun sa una si Noy Castillo. But Noy Castillo so far is playing excellent offensive game for Shell. Dahil nga yung kanilang imports hirap umiscore. Mabuti na lang may mga locals na nagdi-deliver sa ngayon.
And Noy Castillo now has 8 points. There's Silas Mills. Makikita nyo mga kaibigan, pinapost niya si Jojo Lim with a 3-second violation. Will be called on Silas Mills.
Hindi lumabas si Silas Mills. He kept 1 foot inside the shaded area. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang bilang ng referee.
He was waiting for the entry pass which never came. Ito ngayon. Si Noy Castillo. Ikot kay Benji Paras. John Bess sa ilalim. Blocked there by Patrick Fran. But foul will be called. And Patrick Fran doing the jig.
Well, ano pa rin, whatever it is, foul or not, no foul, ang gandang effort na ginawa ni Patrick Fran dyan. Ayun, mukhang bola.
There's the help, but pero to si John Bess ang nasa 4.5 meter line.
Ang mga tinatawag natin, mga breaks of the ball game, but you just have to accept them, especially in a championship situation. Yung concentration mo, dapat wag mo na pansinin yung mga ganong klaseng tawag.
Nandito si John Bess sa pangalawa niya. In and out, and Silas Mills coloring the rebound. Mobiline 36, Shell 28.
Maraming miniminti sa foul line itong Shell. At importante yan. They would want to be as close as they can be dito sa Mobiline going into the 4th quarter.
And here's T. McClary. T. McClary. Umatake. And foul will be called on Noy Castillo as he tried to reach in dito kay T. McClary.
Kakaroon ng problema yung defensive adjustments sa Shell because they're getting hurt with the 3-point shot. At the same time, they would like to double the imports coming into the shaded area. So nag-aalangan talaga sila. Kaya nangyari doon, sa kakaalangan nila, na-foul sila.
Minsan, Ika, di ba, yung moments hesitation, di ka pa makaka-establish ng position mo, and you try to defend with your hands, dun ka nahuhuli.
Tsaka marami silang iniintindi. They're looking out for the outside shot of Mobiline. At the same time, they're looking out for the penetration of the imports.
Meanwhile, itong si T. McClary, talagang walang arko itong
Pasibat.
mga bitaw ng free throw. Baong sibat eh.
Pasibat yung tiro niya. Kaya doon sa front edge, front rim, tumatama yung bola parate.
Here's Jojo Lim. Jojo Lim, wala. John Bess getting the long rebound. Whipping a pass to Benji Paras. There's the jump hook. Wala. It's Silas Mills. Coming from nowhere to collar that rebound, but he crashes to the ground.
Magkasama sila ro, kaya mababalik ang bola sa Shell. Is two teammates there, Jojo Martin and himself.
Yes, and pero makikita mo yung effort ni Silas Mills. At nahigaan niya to si Jojo Martin. So lucky break this time para sa Formula Shell. They get possession.
Importanteng opensa. Oh!
There's John Best.
Ganda.
Yung maganda yung nangyari doon. Williams to John Best. Lead of Mobiline down to 7, 37-30. And we're nearing the 3-minute mark ng ating second quarter.
Medyo bumaba yung intensity level ng Mobiline dito kaya nakahabol ng konti yung Shell. Ayan.
McLaren forcing one. Partially deflected by Benji Paras. Pero muna na kay Silas Mills pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. There's McLaren. McLaren wala pa rin. Let's see ito. Umatake ang Formula Shell. Here's Noy Castillo. Mainit na kamay ni Noy Castillo with John Best picking up his dribble.
Good defense there by Mobiline, stopping that almost transition basket for Shell.
Ito si Williams. Thought about a long shot but he went near to the hoop. At dun bumuslo itong si Donald Williams. Only good for his 6-point coach.
Ayan ang magandang ginawa ni Donald Williams. He was missing his outside shots. So what you do is try some other shot like that penetration.
Mobiline as they try to reverse the ball. Here's Silas Mills. Silas Mills, sa kanyang pag-angat. Mapapatravel na, yes. And that's a good defense by John Best on Silas Mills. At mapapatawag ng timeout ng Mobiline phone pass. Dito makita mo si Silas Mills ang kapupunta, sabi ni John Best. Traveling ka na.
Traveling. Magandang depensa ron. At maganda naman para kay Silas Mills. Hindi siya nagreklamo. So he kept his composure.
Okay, meron po tayong timeout mong kabalikan. And Mobiline's lead down to 5. 37-32 is the count. And we're in the final 2 minutes of the second quarter. Silas Mills swatting the ball away from Noy Castillo.
Ang galing talaga nito si Silas Mills. So, talagang on both ends of the court, maasahan mo. Galing na stopper dun sa gitna.
There's Steve McLaren. McLaren, open ang lane sa kanya. He misses his layup. And follow up. Meron pang foul. And McLaren at Jojo Lim. Some color developing between McLaren and Jojo Lim. And quick to respond itong mga kakampi nitong Mobiline phone pass. Makita mo, again, sumugal itong si Benji para sa knockout ng coach.
Oo, tingnan natin kung ano nangyari doon kay Jojo Lim. Ayun. So, ayun. Nag-usap lang sila sandali.
Yes, and 3-point play in the offing para dito kay T. McLaren. McLaren.
Wala pa rin. In-adjust na niya yung tira niya. No? Hindi na pa sibat pero umikot pa rin sa rin. Kulang pa rin yung arco.
So 7-point lead for Mobiline, 39-32. Castillo with the entry pass dito kay John Best. John Best inside the shaded lane. John Best nowhere to go. Noy Castillo, he drops it. 2 seconds to shoot. Noy Castillo pulls it up. And again, another 24-second shot clock violation para dito sa Formula Shell.
Well, that happens a lot of times. Nauubusan sila ng oras dahil doon sa kaka-dribble. They have to decide quickly whether they're going to go for the basket or going to kick the ball out. Hindi pwede yung matagal na matagal bago ka mag-decide. Turnovers. Mobiline, 6. Shell, 2.
Mas maraming turnovers itong Mobiline phone pass dito sa ating second quarter. Kaya nakakahabol itong siya. Samantala, itong Patrick Fran sa kapupunta sa amin ni Benji Paras.
Pero yung 6 na turnover ng Mobiline na yun, that's still manageable. That's still within manageable range.
Still a 7-point lead para dito sa Mobiline. And the final 40 seconds ng ating second quarter. Donald Williams will lose the ball. Turnover. Yun naman ang,
Well, there was a switch doon sa depensang yon and may contact but Donald Williams expected a call. Ano ang situation? If you don't hear a foul or if you don't hear a whistle, don't stop playing. Tumigil siya ron eh.
Meanwhile, there's a 30-second timeout called by Mobiline. Ito, tingnan natin ito huling atake nito si Patrick Fran.
Ayun.
There's Benji Paras. At yun ang 100% effort dahil na blanca, napunta sa kanila possession.
Ayun, and they had a good chance for a transition basket pero nakabalik naman ang depensa ng Mobiline doon.
Yeah, so ito lamang pa rin ang Mobiline 39-32. Pinakamalaking kalamangan nila was 12. Pero itong Mobiline Shell slowly but surely creeping back in this ball game. With 37.5 seconds to go sa ating second quarter. Let's listen in kay Coach.
Take your time, huh? 1, 2, 3, go! Don't carry your shots! Don't carry your shots!
Well, pinaalalahanan lang ni Coach Erica Altamirano na huwag magmamadali itong Mobiline. Baka gusto nila matapos na laro, lamang na sila eh. Matapos na laro at i-declare na silang champion para tapos na. Pero hindi pwede yun. Kailangan tapusin nila yung 4 na quarters dito.
And here's Silas Mills. Laban dito kay Jojo Lim. Tapasame para kay Jojo Lim. And Silas Mills, inikutan si Jojo Lim. Took the banana route eh.
Well, you have to double Silas Mills early if you want to stop him. Pagka habulin mo siya ng malapit sa basket, too late na yun.
Too late. And here's Donald Williams. And Donald Williams smothered underneath. Donald Williams sa kanyang second attempt. He collects a foul.
Maganda mag-collapse yung defense ng Mobiline dun sa penetrator. But that time, tinawagan sila ng foul. Pero hirap na hirap talaga itong penetration ng Shell against the Mobiline defense.
Yes, and usually pag nag-penetrate, hindi sila makapag-dish up. Napaka-tight na ng coverage eh.
Oo.
And there's Donald Williams. Yung magandang arco pero may kilya naman sa kanan yung kanyang free throw. Si Coach Perry Ronquillo, iiling-iling.
Shell is shooting about just 50% from the line. Hindi naman masamang foul shooting team itong Shell. Pero ngayon, medyo as a team, talagang masama ang kanilang percentages.
2 seconds to go sa ating second quarter. Team McClary from PLDT Long Distance Country. At doon magtatapos ang ating second quarter, mga kaibigan. Mobiline 41, Shell 33. Huwag po kayong alas, mga kaibigan. At the half, ihahatid namin sa inyo ang PBA Lottery.
Uy,
Nako.
lottery ha.
Ay,
Hindi loto yan ha, hindi
Hindi.
loto ha.
Basta panoorin yung PBA Lottery pagkabalik mo namin.